Hello friends, how are you doing? So welcome back. Again, as I said that last lecture I was explaining you about the Bajaj Finance. So couple of other stocks. I'm not going to take you through all these back testing, which I'm not going to do, but I will just show you that if you keep a long-term positions, so how the market is going to give you the returns, rate of interest. So over here, if you see, if I just keep for 14 years, the market would have given me almost 1382 as a ROI, rate of interest. As you can see that after buy signal, there is a big rally for Titan. Okay, so almost as you can see, almost 14 years I got this. I would have got this, or you would have got this. Check for Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay, after this position, like 2021, only 4 years, it would have given you almost 317 as a rate of interest, massive rally. Then check for Britannia. As you can see that from 2004, if would have been invested, so it would have given you 5,850 as an rate of interest. A massive rally. As you can see that couple of years till 2012 it was not, but again after that it has started giving you this is a big rally which you can see over here. Next one is SDFC Bank. When I talk about the long term, you can see that from 2010 till 2025 till now, almost 15 years, it has given 723 percentage of ROI. The next one is Hindustan Liver, which is something like after this buy signal, if would have gone this condition, so somewhere around 795% as an ROI, rate of interest, massive rally. Next one is Ultratech. Okay, so after I guess almost 15 years, it has almost crossed 932 as a ROI. Okay, next one is TCS. So you can see that there is a sell signal in between. Okay, now also it's sell signal, but still it is somewhere around 491 last 15 years. This is also massive. You can see the Reliance story. Everyone is aware about that after one sec. So in 2016, they have launched 17 or 16. They have started with this one, Geo. Everyone is aware about that, and then the market has shoot up. So almost last 8 years, it has given near about 500 percentage of ROI. Okay, so this is also massive one. The second last is ICIC. When I talk about the long term, you can see over here, it has given 361 percentage of last 207 years, almost 7 years. It has given that, and the last one, which is Apollo. Okay, in 2020 after COVID, it has given more than 400% of ROI. So this is also has given a great value. I would show you that over here. Okay, this is a buy signal, the short rally only I will show you, and if I calculate from here to here up to sell, so 4 years it has given 82%. Now if I would have taken these positions, if I would have knowledge about the chart pattern and everything, whatever the indicator which I'm going to teach you, even this small position would have given you almost 260% as ROI. And think about this big moment, which if anyone would have got this, or if would have been got it, so somewhere around 5 years, more than 400, so almost yearly 80%, more than 80% as ROI. So my dear friends, so last two videos, and this is a third video with regards to long term. The conclusion or takeaway from this video is like, go for a long term, your future depends on it. The best investor in the history have followed on the simple trend and simple rule. What they follow the rule, they stay in the market for a long term. Okay, ignore the daily noise, focus on the long term growth. Patience and disciplines are more powerful than any short term strategy. If you want to build a real wealth, don't chase the quick gains, right? Invest, hold, reinvest, and let the time make you rich. So my final question to all of you, that will you chase short term profit, or will you go for a long term success? Hope all these three sessions are clear regarding the long term investment. and if you willing to invest such as a long term, so there is a massive growth, but patiently you need to understand that and ignore the daily noise. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next lecture.